Welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Soglang tumka येवकार दिता माझ्या cooking channelaचेर. So today I am come up with Schezwan sauce or Schezwan chutney, which is very useful for when you make momos or samosa, or you want to make Schezwan fried rice, or there are so many other things you can use. So this was been demanded and requested by one YouTube watcher. So here it is, and the main ingredients what you need are, so 30 Kashmiri red chilies. Now I am using only Kashmiri red chilies. If you want more spicy, you can use the other chilies which are spicy. So bedgi is little bit of spicier side, or you get Kolhapuri chilies which are more spicy. So you can use optional, like you can use few. If in Goa, then you can use Goan chilies. So I am using only Kashmiri chilies. Okay. So these are 30. Then this is like around 6, or this vinegar I am using, I am taking this measurement. But what I am doing, I am not going to use or soak this in water. So that's why I am going to use this white vinegar for this Schezwan sauce or chutney. So first I will add this and see. If I need more to grind this, I will add a more little bit. So because I want to preserve this for more than 6 months, not only for 1 month or not only for little use, but I want to preserve this. So when you want to preserve is, don't add any water to this. Then I have taken one onion. Now this onion will be fried nicely in the oil, so the excess water will be gone. Then I have added 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 small tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 cup of oil. Sesame oil is best. Then this is like 2 big tablespoons of garlic, this much of ginger. You can add more garlic and more ginger. Now these are 10 of Schezwan pepper. The difference I will tell you. This is Schezwan pepper. You can see this, not very much, but it is different flavor. So these are Schezwan pepper, and these are normal pepper. So I am using 10 of this, and I am using 10 of this, 10 of normal pepper. Now there will be some who will not believe only that it is Schezwan pepper. It's expensive to buy, but if you can buy and keep, it won't get spoiled. So here it is, Schezwan pepper. So you can buy it on Amazon, and this is totally different pepper. Okay, so don't get confused. But if you don't have Schezwan pepper and you don't want to buy this, then you can always use a normal black pepper. But when it is said Schezwan sauce, so we have to use Schezwan pepper. And then I have 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So let's grind this together. So what we have to grind is this along with this. So vinegar, chilies, and this ingredients will be added to grind. And this. So here it is nicely grounded. So like this I took 2 of this to ground. So to grind I took this 2 of white vinegar because I am not adding water to this and I want to preserve this for longer. So if you are going to use it instant for small quantity, then you can soak it with warm water and add only 1 tablespoon or 3 tablespoon of vinegar. That's it. Yeah. So now we will saute this. First we have to saute our onion. So we'll add our oil. And we'll add a onion. Fry this nicely. Use sesame oil. So let it get fried nicely. And now we will add our masala to this. Now we will add our soya sauce, tomato sauce, sugar and salt. Mix this. So we'll cook this for a few minutes and it's ready to serve. Preserve this in nice bottle. Whenever you are having momos, homemade momos or anything, use this. And here it is ready. It tastes like it's hot. Still, see, I have not used any other chilies, only Kashmiri chilies. But Schezwan peppers is again spicier side. Then few pepper I have added. Then garlic and ginger. And but it tastes very, very, very yummy and tasty. Please do try this recipe and do let me know how you all will serve this and preserve this. So सगळ्यांक मानता की हे शेजवान सॉस आवडटलें आनी क्वॉन्टिटीन करून तुमी मातशें फ्रिजीन तुमच्या दवरात ओके, कित्याक गोंया गरमी आहा, गोंया तुमच्यान भायर दवरूंक जायना. आनी एन्जॉय करात मोमोज, शेजवान फ्रायड रायस, कसलो पूण फ्रायड रायस, आनी हे सॉस तुमकां उपयोगाक येतले. ओके, देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू सो मच. थँक्यू.